Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the RainPoint 3-zone Wi-Fi water timer with Wi-Fi Gateway. Now let's unbox everything one by one. We've got the 3-zone Wi-Fi water timer, the Wi-Fi Gateway, a handy quick guide, a full user manual, and a Type-C USB cable. Let's do a quick visual overview of these bad boys. Check out the water inlet, 3-zone light indicators with their control buttons, 3 water outlets, and a battery compartment on the back sleek. For the Wi-Fi Gateway, it's got a foldable antenna, Wi-Fi and power status indicators, a Type-C power port, and an operation button. Let's download the app and log in. Install the RainPoint Home app on your phone. Grab it from Google Play, the App Store, or scan the QR code. Done in seconds. Open the app, tap Register, sign up with your email, follow the prompts, you're in. Gateway connection. Let's prep first. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. iOS 11.0 plus, Android 6.0 plus, phone and gateway within 3 meters. Reset by holding the operation button. Unfold the gateway antenna. Power on via Type-C cable. Place near router and timer. Perfect. Tap Add Device. Select the gateway. Follow the app instructions and wait for the connection. Hold the gateway button till the Wi-Fi indicator flashes blue fast. Tap Next. Gateway connects automatically. Done. Pair water timer. Insert 4 new AA alkaline batteries into the battery compartment of the timer. Click the gateway icon on the app to tap Add Device. Tap Add New Devices to add the timer. Select the water timer to add it. Long press any timer button till the red light flashes yes. Tap Next for countdown. Device added successfully. Install the timer to the faucet. Tighten the water timer onto the faucet. Connect your drip irrigation system or garden hose to the timer outlet. Installed successfully. Activate the timer valves before use. Critical step. Step 1. Keep faucet closed. Step 2. Press Zone 1 button to open. Then open faucet slightly. Step 3. Press Zone 1 button to check water on or off. Perfect. Step 4. Repeat steps 2 to 3 for zones 2 and 3. All zones good to go. Irrigation schedules and features. This is where the magic happens. 3 irrigation modes. We've got cycle and soak, misting irrigation, and normal irrigation. For programming, you're in control. Set a start time anytime from 0 o'clock to 24 o'clock. Water duration from 1 minute up to 12 hours. Pick your watering frequency. Daily, odd, even days, interval, or full custom. You decide. Smart plan recommendation. Genius. It gives you water-efficient schedules based on your plant and soil type. No guesswork. Manual watering. 2 easy ways. Just press the timer's button or control it right from the app. So simple. Default watering time is 10 minutes. Valves run one by one. Don't set repetitive working times. Easy. Rain delay has 3 options: 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours. Save water and prevent overwatering. Seasonal adjustment. Adjust watering percentage from 10% up to 200%. Smart scene feature. Mind-blowing. It auto-adjusts your watering based on real-time weather. Smart, efficient, next level. This timer is IP65 waterproof. Totally durable for outdoor use, rain, sun, whatever.
Figured out this watering gadget? Leave a comment if you've got questions. And hey, don't forget to hit subscribe on RainPoint's YouTube channel to get all the latest updates.